In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook name. So, if you're looking for a new identity twist, or simply correcting a typo, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully updated your Facebook name with ease. To begin first, ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Facebook's main web page. Enter your login details if prompted, and you're ready to go. Once you're on the home page and comfortably signed in, locate your profile icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile will bring you to your personal Facebook timeline, where you can see your posts, friends, and general profile information. Next, you need to access the Settings menu. Look for the small downward-facing arrow, often found in the top right corner, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This step is crucial as it provides you access to everything you'll need to change your account details. Now, proceed by clicking on the Settings option. This action will direct you to the Settings page, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Facebook account. Our focus now is on accessing the Account Center, which will be your key to updating your profile information. Navigate to the Account Center section, which you can find in the left sidebar or under your general account settings depending on the current Facebook layout. Click on it, and from there, you'll need to tap on Profiles. You may see a list if you manage multiple accounts, but select your Facebook account from this list. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can personalize your details further. Now, click on Name. This is where you'll make the magic happen. Carefully enter your new first, middle, or last name, depending on what you wish to update. It's important to ensure that your name complies with Facebook's naming standards, meaning no special characters, unusual capitalization, or irrelevant phrases. Double-check your spelling to prevent any unintentional errors. After entering your new name, tap on the Review Change button. This will provide you with a preview of how your updated name will appear on your profile, giving you a chance to catch any last-minute typos or changes before making it official. Finally, if everything looks perfect, click on Save Changes. By doing so, you're confirming your new name choice, and it will be updated on Facebook. Remember, it might take a few minutes for the change to reflect fully across the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Facebook name. It's always refreshing to update your online persona from time to time, so enjoy your new identity on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Happy Facebooking!